Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 408 Winter Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, recently renovated, updated apartment. And we're going to start our walkthrough here right in the kitchen area that you have. So kitchen area and bathroom house a new laminate wood flooring. And the kitchen area is kind of centralized. It does connect to the living area and houses one of the bedrooms and connects to the bathroom. It also houses your side entryway to the unit. But in this space right here, you do have the large size stainless steel refrigerator and the 4-burner gas stove and oven. It does lead to a small galley area, which we'll look at afterwards, but just giving you a nice scope of this area right here. A couple of wide open windows, as you can see, to let in lots of sunshine. And there's the side entryway to your unit right there. In this space, you do have potential maybe for a small size dining set in this corner. But if you choose to have a dining set, I'd recommend end up using the living space for it, which we'll look at. But let's go ahead quick and check out the galley area. Galley area houses brand new kitchen cabinets. As you can see, you've got plenty underneath the sink and above the sink, some large ones at that. And you also got a new gorgeous granite countertop housing the single bin stainless steel sink. Wonderful. And further down into the galley area, you actually have laundry hookups available in unit. So again, in unit laundry hookups, tenants just responsible for bringing in their own washer and dryer, but the hookups are there and ready to go. And some more cabinets up above. Excellent. So that is the galley area, your main kitchen area. Let's check out the living space next. Living space houses a hardwood flooring, so do all the bedrooms. So hardwood flooring throughout, looks great. Wide open windows once again for lots of sunshine. This room in one of the bedrooms actually houses remote controlled lights, so that's always a nice little touch. But a good amount of space in here for an entertainment system, whatever size sofa you'd like to bring in. If you end up choosing to use this as a dining room, plenty of space for any dining set. It's just an overall wide open space for plenty of opportunity. All right, let's start checking out the bedroom. So we'll check out the first bedroom housed in the kitchen area. It's right across from the living space. And like I said, you do have hardwood floorings in all 3 of these bedrooms. And all bedrooms do house their own closet spaces as well. Recommended bed sizes for these bedrooms, I would definitely stick with a standard to full size bed set. I think for comfortability and housing room for other pieces of furniture, I think it would just be best to stick with a standard or full. There is potential maybe for a queen, but I just wouldn't recommend if you wanted other pieces of furniture. So standard full-size bedrooms, very nice. Coat of paint, of course. So that's your first bedroom. Heading into the living area actually houses 2 of the 3 bedrooms. So we'll go right across to the next one we're looking at. This is our second bedroom. This bedroom actually houses the front entryway to your unit. So this bedroom has its own entryway. Overall, pretty good amount of space. Again, hardwood flooring, fresh paint, wide open windows. Perfect for a standard to full-size bed set. This is the bedroom that actually has the remote-controlled light. Okay, we'll head on inside and check out from this angle. Okay, so that is the second bedroom. Last is the third bedroom, and then we'll check out the bathroom. So this bedroom actually houses 2 closet spaces. You got one little cubby area right over here. Heading on in, you got another closet space to the left side over here. This is probably the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, so this one I definitely suggest to just stick with a standard or full-size bed. Probably a standard twin size, but again, the 2 closet space definitely make up for it. Nice. Okay, and last but not least is the bathroom. The bathroom is actually housed between this bedroom and the kitchen. So, bathroom once again houses a brand new laminate wood flooring. Got the bowl sink set up right there, small mirror vanity up above, and you got a full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Great. All right, so once again, this is 408 Winter Street, Unit 1. Located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.